how to sign up for YouTube TV in under 5 minutes. Hello, future streamers. If you're eager to dive into the world of YouTube TV and want to sign up in just a few minutes, you're in the right place. I'm going to guide you through a quick and easy sign-up process. Let's get started. First, ensure you have a Google account, as it's required to sign up for YouTube TV. If you don't have one yet, create it before proceeding with the subscription. Next, open your web browser and navigate to tv.youtube.com. On the homepage, you'll see an option to try it free or get started. Click on it to begin the sign-up process. Before we continue, if you're finding this helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And tell us in the comments, what made you choose YouTube TV over other streaming services? You'll be prompted to log in with your Google account. Enter your Google email and password and click Next to proceed. Once logged in, confirm your location. YouTube TV uses your location to provide the correct local channels. Make sure location services are enabled on your device, or manually set your home area if prompted. Now, you'll see an overview of the channels and features included in your subscription. Take a moment to review this list to ensure it meets your entertainment needs. After reviewing, it's time to select any optional add-ons. YouTube TV offers various packages and premium networks like HBO Max, Showtime, and the Sports Plus package. Choose any add-ons you wish to include, or skip this step if you prefer to start with the base package. Next, you'll need to enter your payment information. Don't worry, you won't be charged immediately. You typically get a free trial period first. Enter your billing details and click Start Membership. Once payment information is confirmed, you're all set. You'll receive a welcome email detailing your subscription and trial period. Now it's time to explore and enjoy the expansive lineup YouTube TV offers. And there you have it, signing up for YouTube TV in under 5 minutes. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more quick and easy streaming tips. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.